Alright, guys, welcome back again. Now we are moving on, we are progressing gradually. So just feel free and relax. Since we are progressing, you have no problem at all. I'm supposed to give you an exercise on what we just learned, which is on the looks code. But nevertheless, let me spare you for now, but you're still going to get your exercise on the looks. So let's move on to the next lecture. And what is the lecture that we have? What is the next thing that we have on our program? We have the sound. You see the sound that we have here. Let me just keep it for now and treat it for later. So let's move on to the event. We've talked about the event. I've shown you when flag is clicked, when space key is pressed, when the sprite is clicked. Let me briefly show you this. What I'm trying to tell you when this sprite is when you click on this particular sprite, that is the name initially from the program is sprite, but you can rename it and call it a cat because it's just a cat. So how does this work? Just bring the moves here, move 10 steps, which is the move function, and you press what? If you press this, you see nothing's going to happen. But by the time you press this character, and you see it moving 10 steps, but nevertheless, you may not see the effect very well. Let me change it to go to random position. Let me bring go to random position under the motion function or motion code and bring the go to random position function. And let me just click it. Can you see it jumped on different places on the main stage? Just jumping. That is, it's moving to different position. Why? Because the initiator we used is when this sprite is clicked. When you click on this particular sprite, this one is when the flag is clicked. If you click on it, nothing will display. If you click on this, nothing will happen. If you click on your space key on your keyboard, nothing will happen. But when you click the sprite, which is where the code is by itself, now you see the effect at the main stage. And if you go back to the event tab, this when backdrop switches to when loudness is greater than 10 and the likes. You're still going to treat all these as you progress forward in the program. Do you understand? So just feel free and be at rest, and that'll be all for now on that event, and I'll see you at the next lecture.